Hello friends, now I'll show you how to use animation play on PES. This is just for beginner, not like mid-level and experienced level developer. I'll just show you just totally beginner. If you want to play on pause your animation when you're working on Go Live Designer, I'll just show you. Go to the timeline section. If you don't see the timeline section, I mean like this one. If you don't see, then you can go to the window, then you can click on timeline, then it will be shown. Now, if you want to play your animation, then play. If you want to pause, just click this one. Play, pause. This is the toggle button. Alright, thank you for the watching. Please like this video and subscribe our channel.